Have you ever had the watermelon rind juice? Not yet? Then stay with me until the end of this video to learn this amazing and very healthy recipe. I'll tell you about some of the benefits of the watermelon rind. But first, tell me from which city you are watching us from. Guys, the watermelon rind helps you gain muscles, because the levels of citrulline in the watermelon rind help when you exercise with weights. It is a great antioxidant for gaining weight in a healthy way. To regulate pressure and improve the urinary system. The rind of the fruit helps to eliminate excess water in the body, and this helps to normalize blood pressure. It also detoxifies the urinary tract and helps prevent infection. Watermelon rind increases libido. In addition to aiding in physical exercise, citrulline is a great aphrodisiac, helping to elevate libido and sexual performance. The watermelon rind helps combat dandruff and hair loss, because it has several minerals and vitamins for this treatment. The mode of use is simple, just massage the scalp with the white part of the rind. Watermelon rind cleanses the skin. The rind of the fruit has components that make it astringent, so it is great for cleaning the skin. To use it, simply massage the white part of the rind into the face. Well, folks, I'm going to teach you how to make this watermelon rind juice in a very practical way. So for this, we will need 250 ml of water and a cup of tea from the watermelon rind. Now let's mix it. The water is filtered and chilled. We are also going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar, but you can add sweetener, normal sugar. It's up to each one's preference. Let's cover it and let it whip for a couple of minutes until it's well whipped. Super simple, fast and easy. Now we are going to strain it. I already strained it, guys, our juice. It gets dark like this because of the brown sugar, okay? Now we are going to transfer it to a glass. You can put some ice cubes in it. I added the juice of half a lemon, to give an extra flavor. Guys, in this heat it's worth to make it, and it's very cold. This is our little recipe for today. Now I'm going to take advantage of this and pass on a message from Matthew 19:6. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. What God has joined together, let no one separate. Marriage is no joke, and the spouse should not be treated as disposable. Whenever possible, the two should strive to maintain the bond of marriage, leaving divorce only for serious situations, such as adultery. I'll stop here. See you in the next video. Bye.